So Google announced an all-new laptop category, the GoogleBook. Now, what is a GoogleBook? Well, it's pretty much an Android tablet with Gemini integrated and some Chrome OS features thrown in. In fact, I would go as far as to say this is what Chromebooks should have been a long time ago. Use the Android platform to make a dedicated desktop OS because that gives you access to Android's apps and features that Chrome OS was missing when it first came out. But Google does look to be differentiating GoogleBooks from Chromebooks in one specific area, and that is premium. They want GoogleBooks to be on the premium side of things. They're gonna run an x86 or ARM processor from Intel, Qualcomm, or MediaTek. Manufacturers like Acer, Asus, Dell, HP, and Lenovo will be making their own GoogleBooks. So this looks more like an operating system for laptops than Google making their own laptop, which is what I thought when I first heard GoogleBook. I thought Google made their own laptop to compete with Microsoft and Apple, but no, it's more like an operating system that's competing with Windows and Mac OS because they're using manufacturers to bring these devices to the market. So that means maybe we'll get a Dell Inspiron 15 running either Windows or GoogleBook OS. And there are some interesting features like Magic Pointer, which allows you to just flick the cursor to bring up Gemini and point at certain things on the screen to get additional assistance from your AI assistant Gemini. They'll have a glow bar on the laptop that provides cues for activity or when the AI is listening. And you're getting all of these Gemini intelligence features that they just announced, like custom widgets, Gemini automation, and so much more. So this does seem like a really interesting product, but the only problem that I see is the price tag. How much will one of these GoogleBooks actually cost? If they're anything close to a Windows laptop, is it really worth picking up a GoogleBook device instead of a Windows laptop? I don't think so. You can do so much more on a regular Windows laptop than you could, at least I assume you could, on a GoogleBook. But if they are cheaper, if they are in the more Chromebook price area, then does that mean Chromebooks are gone? Because I don't think Google thinks so. They very much want to continue with Chromebooks, at least in the education sector. But if these were similarly priced, a Chromebook and a GoogleBook, why would you even go with a Chromebook? GoogleBook is the way to go. It's a way better value. You can do so much more with a GoogleBook. So I guess we'll have to wait and see when these become available. Google said that you should begin seeing GoogleBooks at the end of this year. And by then we should have a price point. We should have an idea of the performance that they offer and all of the features that you'll be getting with a GoogleBook. And that should tell us if they're actually worth it. But what do you guys think? From everything that Google announced about the GoogleBook, do you think that they are a device worth picking up if the price tag is kind of in between a Chromebook and a Windows laptop? Let me know what you think with a comment down below. That's not even considering the MacBook Neo, by the way. Is that going to compete directly with a GoogleBook? We'll have to wait and see. But let me know what you think with a comment down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos just like this one on tech news, reviews, and opinions, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. And I'll see you on the next one.